Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will explore all the possible types of questions present in Google Forms. We have already done MCQs, that is multiple choice questions, and short type in the previous video. Now let's see the third type of question. So question 3, and we want to give checkbox type of question. So we will select a checkbox. It is just equivalent to your MCQ, but in MCQ you can select one option. In checkbox you can select more than one options. Like for example, favorite ice cream. And I write vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, and then we can just see the preview how it appears. So we'll click on this and we'll see the preview. So here you can select just one answer. You can't select two answers, but here you have options to select more than one answer. So this is the difference between the radio buttons as well as checkboxes. So checkboxes lets you select more than one answer. Now the next type of question is your drop down. So drop down we generally use in selection of the section or something like that. You can also give some questions based on it. So I will just show you how to use that. So question 4, and options, if I am giving 6th A, second one is 6th B, and third one is 6th C. And I can select answer out of it, whatever I want, done. And then again I'll go to preview and just see how we can choose it from the option. Okay, class, any one option. Then the next one is your linear scale. Linear scale type of question is generally taken for the feedback. Like for example, you want to have a feedback question and the level is starting from bad to excellent. So these are the labels which you will be getting, and then you can just check the preview how it looks at the user side. So you can see here that you will have the linear scale grading from 1 to 5, and 1 is the bad thing and 5 is for excellent. So you can either choose either of them. Next one is how to have a tabular structure, like multiple choice grid. Like for example, we have different kind of foods and we want it to be mapped to categories. Like if I have rice, egg, and cherry, and the other column I had given protective food, body building food, and energy giving food. And the last one can be none. Okay, so if I have this kind of question, like answer key I want to give, then for rice I will give it is energy giving food, egg is bodybuilding, cherry is protective. So this answer is done, and I can also assign points for them. So 1, 1 and 1, and done. Now if I want to see the preview how it looks at the user side, we'll just have this preview. So you can also write some question before this. So let me write and show it to you so that, yes. So choose the correct option. Okay, and now I can just show you the preview, and the preview will show like this: choose the correct option, and the points are shown here. If in rice I select energy, egg is body, cherry is this, and then I can submit, and create selection will let you clear the selection. Now we will see the next option, that is your checkbox grid. Now there is a basic difference between checkbox and the multiple choice grid. Your multiple choice grids let you have only one option, but your checkbox grid will let you have more than one option. Like for example, I will again copy the same thing from here to the next question, and here I will write anything rice and berries. Column 1 I will write about vitamins. Okay, so whatever it has. The question may be random, so vitamin B, vitamin C, and then we have minerals. Okay, so I give this kind of option, and the answers, maybe rice is having A and minerals and point, I'll give 1, berries is having vitamin B, and done. And now when I see the preview, you can just see here that we can select more than one option. So here we can select more than one option, but here I can only select one option. So the difference between the choice grid and the checkbox grid is this. Now we will see the next option. So date and time can also be selected. Okay, so if you want to give a checkbox of date and time, like for date of birth, if you want to enter like date of, so you can just give a date option, and then if you see the preview of this, you will select things in this format, like the calendar will open and then you can select. So this way we use all the questions or type of questions present in the Google form. Thanks.